Tired of messy countertops cluttered with soggy sponges and dripping brushes? The OXO Good Grips stainless steel sink caddy offers a simple, elegant solution to keep your cleaning tools organized and your sink area dry. Imagine no more puddles around the faucet or scrub brushes lying flat and wet. This caddy keeps everything upright and ventilated for quick drying, right where you need it. I've used this caddy for months, and it's made a noticeable difference. Before, my scrub brush would sit next to the sink, leaving a constant water mess that I had to wipe up daily. Now, the caddy's clever divider holds two sponges or brushes separately, with ventilation holes that speed up drying and prevent odors. The removable drip tray catches all the water and drains easily through a built-in spout. It's clear that OXO designed this with real kitchen challenges in mind. What really stands out is the caddy's stainless steel build. It's sturdy, rust-resistant, and adds a sleek touch to any kitchen style. The open screen base lets water drain directly into the drip tray, so your tools dry thoroughly between uses. Plus, the divider is removable, so you can switch between a divided holder or an open caddy depending on your needs. Cleaning the caddy is just as easy. Hand wash and pop the drip tray out to empty and rinse. It's practical, durable, and keeps your countertop neat. If you're ready to upgrade your kitchen sink setup, this OXO Good Grips sink caddy is worth a look. It solves the common problem of wet, cluttered cleaning tools and keeps your workspace tidy without extra effort. Try it when you're ready to enjoy a cleaner, more organized kitchen every day.